Welcome to this detailed review of MailerQ, an email marketing platform that promises to help businesses manage their email campaigns effectively. I'll take you step by step through its features, usability, and performance, giving you my honest feedback based on my experience using it. MailerQ is designed for those looking to improve their email marketing with tools for managing campaigns, automating emails, and optimizing email deliverability. Upon logging in, you're greeted with a sleek, modern dashboard that gives a good overview of your ongoing campaigns, email statistics, and overall account health. The interface is relatively easy to navigate, though it may take some time to get used to if you're new to email marketing platforms. Point one of MailerQ's standout features is its focus on email deliverability. It claims to help users reach their subscribers' inboxes more effectively by optimizing email sending rates and tracking performance. The platform uses advanced algorithms to ensure your emails are sent from high-quality IP addresses, reducing the chances of your messages landing in the spam folder. Setting up an email campaign is straightforward. You can upload your contact list, create a custom email template, and schedule your campaign, all within minutes. However, if you're used to more comprehensive design tools, like those found in competitors' offerings, MailerQ's design options might feel a little basic. The drag-and-drop email builder works well, but it's not as feature-rich as some other platforms. MailerQ also offers solid automation features, allowing you to set up automated email sequences based on customer behavior or specific triggers. This is a huge time saver for businesses that want to keep in touch with their audience without manually sending emails. However, I did notice some limitations in terms of pre-built automation workflows compared to other tools on the market. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. One area where MailerQ falls short is customer support. While they do offer help via chat and email, I found their response times to be a little slow, which could be frustrating if you're facing a critical issue. Another downside is the pricing, which can be higher than some competitors, especially if you're running a small business on a tight budget. The reporting and analytics feature is decent, but not as robust as some of the more expensive platforms. You can track open rates, click-through rates, and other basic metrics, but I would have liked to see more detailed insights on subscriber behavior and campaign performance. In conclusion, MailerQ is a solid email marketing tool, especially if deliverability and automation are your top priorities. However, its pricing and customer support could be improved. For those who need more advanced features or are on a budget, there are other options out there that might better suit your needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment with your thoughts on MailerQ or if you have any questions.